Namaste SPCians! As we celebrate the first Octomonth with the theme of Virtus, we proudly highlight individuals within our community who live out the values of righteousness, faith, love, steadfastness, and gentleness. This month, we are thrilled to feature another exceptional SPCian who exemplifies what it means to be a value-laden individual.
Hello everyone, I'm Ms. Zoe Camille Palencia, 26 years old, and currently I'm a grade 2 teacher here in San Pablo College's grade school. My journey in SPC started long before teaching because this is where I studied when I was in elementary, high school, and even in my college years. For me, a value-laden individual is someone who chooses to be good at all times. So it only means that in every action that you do, especially when you interact with other people, so dala-dala mo yung values na yun sa sarili mo. I think that righteousness, faith, and love is very important in a person's life because these are the values that will shape you to be the person who you want to be. So mahalaga yun kasi if lahat ng values na yun ay napopossess mo, so syempre alam mo yung mga bagay na tamang gawin. And aside from that, matutulungan mo rin ng ibang tao kasi dito na din lalabas yung pagmamalasakit mo sa iyong kapwa. You know, when I was still a student, nandun yung pressure, especially if you want to graduate with flying colors. And minsan, pagpasok mo sa school, pag may exam ka, there is a tendency na ma-mental block or kaya malimutan mo yung mga lessons. There is a big chance na konting-konti na lang matitempt ka to copy to your seatmate para lang hindi mo ba yung score mo. But you know, I learned that when you are honed by the school to possess that kind of value of integrity, of honesty, you will be able to resist that temptation. I'm also thankful for San Pablo Colleges because they are the ones who strengthened my faith. Yun yung siguro pinaka-favorite ko dito. During the entire years na nag-aaral ako, during the entire years na nag-work ako dito. Kasi sure ka lang that as early as 9 years old, I think, I was in grade 3 back then. Tinrain na ako mag-serve sa church. I was able to become a lector, a commentator, and when I was in high school, I was a member of Children of Mary. So, yun yung nakatulong sa akin upang magkaroon pa ng strong faith in God. And I can say that maybe that's also the thing that paved the way for me to get to know more a lot of organizations outside the school. Kasi po, I am also a member, a committed member of ang Lingkod ng Panginoon San Pablo, which is a group, a movement of single young professionals whose aim is to serve God and to influence others and to bring Christ in the lives of other people. And in that organization, I was also able to influence other people kasi ako po yung nag-lead for the works of mercy din po sa aming organization. And I was able to touch the lives of many other people as well na hindi lang dito sa school. And sana I will be able to impart those kind of values sa mga learners na meron tayo ngayon. Kasi sobrang dami, napakadami talagang values na na-impart sa akin ng San Pablo Colleges. And add ko lang rin na even though I'm already a teacher, so dala-dala ko pa rin talaga yung values na yun. The compassion I can give to my students, so yun siguro yung pwede ko pang masabi that SPC truly honed me to become a value-laden individual. And as we celebrate 80 years of Virtus, Patria, and Ciencia, may we honor our legacy of striving for excellence. And may we uphold righteousness in our actions, godliness in our hearts, and faith along our journey. And as the SPC spirit lives in each of us, may we continue to make a big difference.
To Ma'am Camille, thank you for inspiring us to live with purpose, integrity, and compassion. And to all SPCians, may her story encourage us to embrace more the values of Virtus and strive to make a positive impact in our own unique ways. Together, let's continue building a legacy rooted in faith and excellence.